What is up guys, BeardedReality here. So today I'm in Sheffield and we're going to be doing the George Barnsley's and Sons Cornish works. I'm with Urban Deprivation and yeah, we're just out and about chilling and it's going to be a fun day exploring today. So do like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell and we're going to literally correct straight. Do it! Some of the stuff is a lot older in George Barnsley's, which is, I've seen this chair with a paper. Let's have a look. Yeah. Can't get it stuck. Proper grotty old paper there. Oh, that's an old paper.
Find it out.
No, well, you can have a look. It's stuck together, like, badly. These are old, though. Oh, here you go, 1999. Dudley Doug's rate, old yellowing paper. Yeah, no, you will see a lot of old tools. Look at this piece. Have a look, see. There's gonna be some proper cool stuff this way. I'm loving the old shelves here. Definitely some cool shots that you'll get. Obviously, George Barnsley's is meant to be quite a good explorer. Parts of it has definitely seen better days though, for sure. I want to see some of the older tools upstairs, which will be pretty cool.
The two handles are over there.
Mm-hmm.
Copper. Oh, like you got
These doors. No chance. No chance at all, is there? You can always pray and hope. Yeah. Might be up there.
Oh. Handles.
Yeah.
Chills handles.
Let's see what's up here then. I'll turn that up a bit. Alright. It's seen better days. It's stable now, it's just literally caving through. Seen these, look. Old metal pieces. They kind of look like scalpels, but they're not. I think they're saw blades or something. That's crazy. There's actually quite a few of them. Like there. You should be fine if you step on that bit.
I'm not standing on that.
Must be on there, isn't it? I love old cupboards like this though. It's definitely seen a lot of decay over its time. Door, what's that say? Door in? Door something? Watch the floor. So things about these kind of places, the old rotten wood kind of things where you know people not having the best time with the lives. That's cool there, look at that. Proper big, sturdy shelves, aren't they? Not like an old footstool.
Lean it against that.
It seems like one of those old footstool kind of thing, you know what I mean, that you use made out of metal. Don't know what the hell's this is about though. Oh, so that's some of the steps going down that way. That's fucking rotten, isn't it? I usually get photos and stuff after. Little door knobbies. Loads of them. Usually you find these in like the I found them in other mills in like wicker baskets and stuff. Just chilling. Table legs.
Yeah.
So obviously they'd been making these here as well then. Yeah. Wonder if we'll find some of the older furniture then.
Proper
Mm.
You like that though?
Yeah.
Big fat lock.
Actually, I missed that. Hopefully we'll find some nice graffiti. So this is going to take us into the other areas. No wheelbarrow. Hello. Yeah, here we go. That's pretty. Oh, here we go. I always see your tag everywhere I go. So this reminds me of like an old tool rack kind of thing. It's definitely cool though, definitely pretty. The way the lights, natural light falls through. It's it's the Gasman. Oh hey. It's the Gasman. I like that. And you can just see though, like the rot and decay. Look at that big chain there. That's pretty. See his big chain leaning up. Look at that though, just so much to play with here. Oh, hello. Oh, precious. Look at that. I love this kind of stuff though. Definitely one of the ginger brush.
Iron bashing as well. Yeah.
So I love seeing proper old industrial tools.
Yeah.
Oh, it moves. Nice. You can still do the fan belt on it. I can see why people enjoy this place. Still the cloth. Yeah.
Try that one.
Lift it easy.
Look, that one would have moved. The things.
Oh, that's cool. Snap there off that leather buckle thing on that one.
Oh, yeah, that one might move.
So look, there's part of it. Big old leather buckle bits and obviously a dead bed. Can't go into anywhere without dead pigeons being everywhere. It's pretty that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see, it's all frayed there.
Oh my god, that's a proper dead pigeon.
Yeah. Baby.
Let's go this way. The bit here was locked off. Oh, why is it locked off? So I want to see. Oh, I see. So people stood up on. Oh, I see. Are they grinding blocks? They look like full-on grinding blocks. Those. Oh, I might have to go have a look at that in a bit. That's some different kind of machinery. That.
I don't know how you get through to that, but...
You can't, it's locked off, you have to climb over. Oh wow. That is an old light. An old chandelier. It's made out of wood though. And wired through. Yeah, we'll be going up to the thing. So much to this place now. Where's that? Hang on. Where do you go? Go down here. There's an old bottle there. Oh, sneak back out. Hello. Hello, where am I? I'm in a tunnel.
Oh, come here. I'll have a look down here.
Wait a second, let's go this way. Well, let's go first. This is cool. I didn't realise that they had special secret underground tunnels. That's awesome. And like an old door's been smashed through there. Yeah, look at this. CH Harrington and Co Limited makers, Howard Street, Sheffield. I don't even know what that is, but it's cool. It's a big hefty unit as well. Wonder what this does then. Oh, it spins. Oh, I see, you spin it. And it spins something, I think. Spins some random thing, like let's go see what's over there in the thing. In the seat. In tunnels here, random. One down here. What's down there?
That's interesting down there.
Oh, it's random, isn't it? Nobody. Oh wow, under the building.
Yeah.
Nobody said
That
anything.
one's blocked off by a big brick wall.
So you've got that there.
And that one you can get through. That sort of thing.
Reminds me of like an old wine cellar thing.
Yeah.
Go on, let's go in. This is mad. Yeah, it's another one of these machines. I just found one at the other end.
Why are they on it?
It's mad that they're just hidden in these rooms now, because there's one at the other end of the building as well. Same machine. Yeah, Howard, Sheffield. I don't know what that is though, because it looks like some kind of... Maybe you put something in there and it grinds it down, or...
Could be.
Oh, that's crazy. It's crazy that it's just hidden under here, and obviously...
This pipe here comes down.
This is new though, like this wall is newer than... Well, no, this bit's old.
Yeah.
But then you got that red brick there that's built, and that's covering something, then it has to be, look.
Yeah.
What's that covering then? Or is it just, can't be a...
Stuck.
Yeah, maybe, it's not a foundation building. There's something...
Asbestos.
It's weird though, the way it's got sediment there as well, that's cool. So, we've done some creepy tunnel stuff, just been joined by Ash and Harvey. Hello. Hello. We're gonna go around a bit more of George. The place is surprisingly gigantic, so I think this will be a very good video. They've done this a few times, I haven't done this yet, so yeah, I like that. That's cool. Look at that. That's a pretty cabinet, that. See, I love old stuff like this. Let's see what else it's about. I'm not seeing any really amazing graffiti pieces yet, but I am keeping an eye out for that. Super surprised, you could spend quite a bit of time here. Look at this old pulley. It's pretty. Oh, hang on, look at this. Yo, guys, where does this go? Have you seen this? It's another tunnel. Hey! Yo, you guys, where you gone? Ash?
Yo,
You seen this tunnel?
no.
I found a tunnel. I haven't been up there yet, like I've literally only gotten as far as there, but I found a tunnel that goes underground. But I don't know what it is. Unless they were doing cars or something. Oh, it's not really a tunnel, but it does go somewhere. Yeah, all these things here, look.
That one doesn't go into no.
But it's like going underground the building to... Oh, ooh, that one, yeah, it just leads one to the other look, and goes all the way around. But like, you know how car mechanic workshops?
This looks like a transformer room, does it?
Maybe.
Look at the big wires. The big main
Yeah, with
wires.
these.
Yeah.
Look at that. Half the time I'm super surprised. I mean, just because this place is so old, of what's randomly found in places. Look, you know, look at this. It's a beast, that, isn't it?
Polishing wheel.
Ooh. Let's go this way. Seen this little mini chair? It's a proper mini chair, that. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, that is a heavy chair. Jesus, I wouldn't expect it to be that heavy. Like one of those kiddie chairs. Oh, aye. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that's a decent piece. Oh, yes, it is a polishing rock. Look, there we go.
It's a sharpening wheel.
Yeah. That's cool, though, that. Probably they just left here. I like stuff like that, though. The old tables.
Yeah.
That's better, peeps. I like that piece. I like a bit of colour. Pretty. Probably dip out of here around 1ish compared to other places.
Your radio.
Oh yeah. Starting to see a little bit more of these around a bit more often. Makes me think though, like, you know, stuff from like 60s, 70s, just realise that they're like 50, 60 years old now compared to like 20 years ago. Yeah, a calendar. So, oh no, circuit label, name of circuit. That's cool. You've got small bits there, bench tools. Yeah. No, it's not proper tunnels, it's like underground for the transformer bits.
There is tunnels.
No.
There's some. I never went in them because I thought they looked sketchy.
Alright, well I'll come in them then. I like that, that's nice. A good piece there. Obviously, standard dick pic.
There's loads of them.
Adolf Dickler. Adolf Dickler, that's funny. I've actually seen Dickler. Adolf Dickler from the what?
Into Rutland, it's actually there.
Is I won't go that way then. Yeah, I'll stick to over here and do these stuff first.
Yeah.
Let's go this way then. Some definite pretty pieces. Oh wow. Old pieces here, like old brush.
Yeah, it's in a hole, actually. Yeah.
That's a chest, that, isn't it? That old. Oh wow, that's cool. A big block chest thing. I'll have a look in a second. I'm just gonna go this way before I get to that other building. Let's go back over here then and do these two here. There's so much to do here, it's crazy. It's so pretty. Wow. Right. So I didn't go in here. Let's have a look this way. Sounds like electric still going through that. Can hear some of it. Look at the old cage. Look, I can smell that. It sounds like there's some current coming through somewhere, but I don't know where. Look at it, it's just been stripped this. Everything ripped out of this unit. Here. Don't know if you can hear that, but there's something. Seen that? Look at all the melted, plasticky melt goop. Ah. Go this way then. I think it's going to be a really nice chill day today, so I'm looking forward to seeing what's about. Oh, that's pretty. Oh wow. This made the... That's really cool. It's nice to see that. Old phone book, look. Oh, that's cool. B-E-R-D. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at all the old paper. That's shocking to see that, like, some of the stuff that's so stripped, and then you have that. That's a pretty cupboard as well. Cabinet. Oh, it's a safe. Oh god, it's heavy. It's heavy, that. Yo, that's a big boy safe. Like multi-layered safe. Another old radio. Are these all safes? Oh, it's a room of safes. That's awesome. It is. So, July 2003. At least we've got some kind of date on the calendar. Where anybody is yet. I want to see if I can find that. So far this explorer's been pretty good. I'm enjoying it. Definitely chill. Yeah, it's chill. I'm enjoying it. I hope you guys like it as well. Do let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know how you're finding the explorers. Let's keep going down these ways. So this is going to be an old toilet, isn't it? Oh, it stinks in there though. Let's not go in that one. Oh wow, this is awesome. Look at this. Old, man, it's old. So many safes here, that's crazy. Big daddy safes. Look at these. And all the windows are like, I mean, look, for some reason there's people's feet trying to kick that. But like open. I don't know why you have the feet on it though. Another safe. And bedding. Oh look, is that a glass or key? Yeah, have you guys seen all these saves? Saves? Oh. I might be able to see them through here. Hello? Hello, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Oh, that's pretty. The light's really nice at the moment as well. Tension clicker handles. Look at this. Super pretty. Right, this is proper decay at the moment. Look at that. I'm super happy that I've come to this place now.
Just us.
Hello.
Whoa,
Careful. I love finding these about. Have you seen all the saves? Safes.
It's proper nice.
There's loads of them.
There's someone's up who put that there just for display and stuff. It's kind of cool.
There's a few of them. You've still got the original paper, look, plastic paper on them.
You can get
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I'm taking that off.
You can get some of the original handles. I think it's on top floor.
Oh, that's literally saved that way.
Yeah, there is.
And they, yeah, look, they used to hand up, look.
There is some old tools and stuff on top floor. I think.
It's cool. It's cool to see stuff like that with little bits. Yeah, what's this?
Oh, this is the part where it's yeah.
If you go up to the next floor, you can do it from that.
Does it? Oh, help me! Help me get this bit.
Go on, Albert.
I got it.
Oh, you go.
Look at that.
Don't worry, you fucking climbed on the escalator. Yeah.
Look at that. Right, we're gonna jump down together.
No.
No, I don't want to jump from that one.
Oh, fuck. Oh, that's where the tools are. It's
Yeah.
really cool.
Alright, we'll get to that point. Right, so, Ash, get down there. You're gonna catch me.
I'll try. Show your arms like that. Come on.
I am getting fatter, but you'll be fine.
Do you know what? There might be a part down there.
Careful.
But it's like all the shelves and stuff.
Yeah, I've been looking around and seeing all this stuff. Oh, hello. Oh, I'm super happy I've come to do this now. Like, I've been wanting to do this place for a while, so
Worth it.
it's nice to finally come and check it out properly. I like this dark room though.
Yeah. A lot of
This is nice. No, this is actually nice. All of this as well. Look at that.
the lighting really works.
I see somebody opened up the drawers. I see for a shot.
Proper nice.
Just don't go up that bit.
Oh, you
There's like
can
no,
if you want,
There's
but
like
it's-
no floor.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, let's have a look. See.
What the fuck?
Oh wow! That is awesome. That is awesome. Wow, that's cool. Wet minge. Clunge. What's that say? Clunge glut for the win. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's nice. This is nice. Oh, shikes, man. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so cool. So cool. Jeez. Oh, it's mental. Mental that's cool. As above, so below. Where does this go? Oh, I see, because it's got no... the doors. Yo, let's see if they can see me. Yo, Ash, have you seen this?
That's not safe at all.
Yeah, you're right. It's really not. It's like fully rotten.
Yeah.
It's like proper...
You can't get to this bit that bit from over here though.
Oh, I can see that. Let's go in that.
There was actually a picture of that urban decay on there from years ago.
Hey, do you want me to get a photo?
Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to do it though.
Just be very...
Right, we'll see if I die or not. We'll... Right, let's have a look at this bad boy stuff then. Mental. So cool though, this. Like, these cabinets are huge. Jesus.
Be careful of floor on this bit.
Yeah. That's a derptastic.
Tell you what, baby, that's fucking scary.
I've done worse. I like all the old, the chalk on this stuff though.
That's pretty good. That's
Did you go back up and get my bag? Legend. Look at this guy, he got it. Hey look, I honestly thought it said chicken handles, but it's not, it's clicker handles.
could be chicken handles.
Could be. Nah, I'm definitely happy to have come here now, just to do all these stuff. What are you thinking so far, furniture?
I like
All the old stuff.
I wanted to come to Sheffield for a while.
I mean, to be fair, I don't think there's loads of amazing places, but some of them are little treasures like this. See, look at that. Whee!
There's a hole there.
Yeah. George Barnsley's shoe pincers. Okay.
I know, shit scares
They do the little
Yeah.
things.
For the shoes.
Yeah. That's cool, though, actually.
Shoe boxes.
It's like, I think they do their little toe caps and the things underneath.
Yeah.
But you've got loads of the little boxes. Look, George Barnsley's Cornish works, waist wheels, assorted patterns. That's cool.
Yeah, I'll send you some photos if you want.
Yeah, just chuck them to me on Instagram or Facebook, because Facebook doesn't downgrade them.
Yeah.
Got some dealer packs.
Dealer packs.
I'm gonna have to definitely get pictures afterwards.
It's just like 4 of them.
I like these wicker baskets though. You don't find a lot of these anymore. I found them in some in Leeds. It was just full of them.
Barnsley premium.
But like I said, you don't make them
I think there's
like that anymore.
like just some weed in there.
That's actually reading.
Oh my
Look,
god.
got some Weedies.
We did it.
No, there we go, that version.
George Barnsley reading.
little weed bags. Where does this go? Oh, Oh, what's down here? This place just goes on. Oh, God, these stairs are horrible. This place is definitely crazy. So if you get a chance to, definitely check it out. Just got to be careful though. Oh, I see, it's down below now. Oh, have you seen this tunnel? That stinks though, but like, oh, I found a secret tunnel. Where you gone? Oh, where does that go? Oh, wait, I don't even know, 1 minute. Stinks. Wait. Oh, it doesn't go. Oh, it stinks badly though. Oof. Oh, that's not pretty. Hey, yeah, what's that? Right, so where did I even get to? I don't see, look, because there's so much stuff, so many little outbuildings of buildings, there's so much to see. Oh, wow. Look at this, look at that. It's like an old little cubby safe thing. I found a wellie! Come here. Yeah. What's in here? Oh, that's cool. That's awesome, it opens up, okay. I wonder then if you can get into that bit. I love these like little secret compartments. It's like an old tool treasure chest. See? That opens up into different parts. And it's like this kind of like a royal wine red. Ah, I'm here again. I want to maybe go check out that tunnel bit, but I don't know yet. Huh? Check out these rooms here, look. Oh wow, this is cool. Oh, it's like a little workers' spot. Yeah, this feels like a step back in time. I don't know why people open all the cupboards that way, but it feels, honest to God, like a step back in time. It's crazy. That's mental. Especially with the old wallpaper like this. I don't know why that's there. I don't want that.
Here you go, Dan. Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah, get it. We'll bring that in here. I'll set up my new hermit life. Feel like I'm back in the 60s or 70s. There you go. I'm gonna spend Christmas here by myself now. What's there, look.
Stay still.
I love this old wallpaper though.
When you buy a new Christmas tree, don't stand up.
I mean, it's like you said, stuff like this is a little bit like a step back in time. You get to see. This is the old though.
Oh wow.
Like the decay and everything on this is beauty.
Yeah.
See the little tiles?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Lino tile though, it's not a tile. Cool. Rock though. We're in a house. I think we're in a house.
Yeah.
Now, part of a different business section. I don't think this is actually part of... Is that Christmas wrapper or wallpaper? It looks like Christmas wrapping paper. Oh, it's felt. It's felt.
Wow.
Yeah, it's felt.
I feel that one.
No, we're in an old house now. This isn't part of George Barnsley's. So, you know all those businesses that I was talking about? And all those buildings? This is one of them. And
People lived on here.
yeah. Because this isn't part of a workshop, this is a house. You can tell this.
Definitely.
See the ugly bit? Is that a sliding...
It's a sliding window.
You have features all back in the 80s.
There you go. We've got another one of these ones where it opens and closes. These are old though, you see.
Yeah.
So, all the designed houses had these, kind of Victorian. So this will probably be 19 something, maybe 18. But definitely old.
Yeah, old, aren't they?
That's felt as well. Like a felt bit there, look.
Oh, I'll go up to that.
That bit there. That's not there, that paint over it. I like that there, that's cool.
So this could have been someone's house that like worked in the workshop.
probably, I mean, look at it this way. The bottom floors will be workers' maintenance, maybe. I didn't go that way. So the further alongside that we go, you'll see a bit more of that, I reckon. Alright, did I pass through? Yes, I've passed through here, so going left now. Oh, it's an old wicker chair, look. Oh, that's nice. I still want to go around ground floor, but we want to stay out of Rutland for now and finish up all these floors. So this one here, there we go. No, I came through there, never mind. So this one. Watch that floor as you come in, it's rotten. I love these, man. Yeah. Proper old workshop.
Come in. No. It's okay, honestly.
No, it's just that little bit there. It's just a bit rotten, that bit. You're not going to fall through, you just have to watch your step.
Just solid ground there.
Wow, it's the wooden cog and wheels, look. So these are all the things that they used to make and then store and put them aside into different sections, which is pretty cool. I love some of these older chair designs as well. It's a bit more finer. Ugh. Natural light so pretty here. Oh, that's an old piece. All decayed,
Wow.
isn't it? Yeah. What's going on over here?
Elevator.
Oh wow, dolly.
Goes right down there.
It will do. Got your pulley there, attached maybe to the top. There. Yeah. Yeah. And you pull the whole unit up, wouldn't it?
That will go over that one.
See, explorers like this are amazing in daylight. So much better in daylight than nighttime for something like this.
Yeah.
Where does that go? It's like a hidden Wonderland adventure, that one.
Jesus, look
Bloody
at this.
hell!
I haven't seen this
Bloody
before.
hell. Right, so there's...
Step to that.
Yeah, I see what you mean. See, you step on your beams. Here, look.
Oh, that's rickety. I'm taking photos, me. I haven't been up here. Oh. Be careful with floor on this bit off. I'll tell you what.
Hey, that's an old fireplace, look. On that gas one. It's pretty though.
When did you step on this bit?
On the boards, look at the boards, like the beams bit, just step on that bit.
Oh,
and if you're in doubt, go to where all the stable stuff is.
Yeah.
And it's stable here anyway.
All the glasses are all cracked.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's probably one
windows.
bit where vandals aren't found.
Yeah, all the windows still... Here, look, you can open them. I think that one opens.
Well, where do I step
To the right.
on the stable part.
Oh, I see, so that's your door there, look, that's cool.
All of it not here, dude. Should be alright, hold on. It's stable. Yeah, like...
To the left, just go, well, to your right. And to be fair, this middle bit's stable as out, it's fine.
Yeah, then you should be fine when you get along.
This is all untrodden and untouched. Are they alarm bells? Yes. Old alarm bells. Like school ones.
Jesus. Good? Yeah, I'm good. Jesus. What in here?
Yeah.
Bloody hell, lads.
There you go, blackjack sim.
The undiscovered
All
top.
that. That's a desk.
Oh shit.
An old desk, look. Right, listen, sir. We're not open today. Come back tomorrow. Oh, hello, pigeon.
Jesus.
Okay, the pigeons.
right above me. I'm fucking running.
So have you not done this section then?
No, never.
Alright, okay. Oh wow, that's cool. Look at that design of the table. Oh hey pigeon.
Try the riskiest part of my life.
Oh, where does that go?
One sec.
It's like a secret cupboardy thing.
Oh, Jesus.
What, is this a whole new bar?
Yeah.
Do.
It's mad.
Oh, I see. So you've got like a little pulley door there that opens up into an old desk again.
No smoking.
No smoking, please close the door.
I've got a sign.
You want me to go ahead with the big light?
Is there one down there? Yeah, I'll let you go first. You get the light.
Ah, so that's where I was looking before. Oh, I like that.
Okay, this is dodgy.
Oh wow, okay.
Oh, is this the floor that we were on before?
It might be.
I've not been here.
Whoa.
I left the door open for a bit, but then I gave in. Oh, it smells like chocolate.
Yeah, can you hold it open?
It smells like chocolate.
It does.
Here, it smells like Milky Bars.
Yeah, it is that bit that we run over. Do you know that one greeny ball?
Where is it at?
Yeah.
Square, closing float, closing oval. That's
Right, we've been in this bit. We just
Awesome.
never went in that bit.
that's awesome.
Yeah, we've been in this bit.
Smells like Milky Bars.
Can you smell it all? Like a chocolate smell.
Oh, hello. Hello there.
Oh, I thought you was like, who's that? What are you talking
Oh wow. That's cool.
It's probably one of the most special features.
So yeah, so this is the bit you were talking about before.
Yeah.
See, look, I almost missed this. I'm glad I've come this way.
Do you know where that spiral staircase is? With the tap?
Yeah.
That's literally through there.
Look at that. Super pretty.
Just be careful of the floor on that bit.
Fucking pigeon. That's Citadel shit now.
Hang on, what's that? An old barometer.
Oh, no, to be honest, I'm glad we've because we probably wouldn't have known about that.
I think there's more to it actually.
Yeah.
Here's Mr. Urban Lad.
There's another floor up.
Right, so now we're back into some kind of kitchen.
Yeah, that leads, if you go through the kitchen, it leads this corridor with like more offices and that.
Yeah, so I've not done this bit here yet. Oh, I can hear people. 1 minute, wait. Hello?
Hello?
You guys come up to this bit?
What?
Have you come up to the bit where it smells like Milky Bars?
Milky Bars?
Yeah. Yeah. Go down somewhere here and then up all the way, up the spiral staircase. Yeah, that way, there you go, and you'll come up to this point.
Yeah, that's what I like about it. Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, chill room, great. I'll stop here for 5. See this room then. Have you seen the rooms with the safes?
Yeah, yeah, see.
Loads in
I
there.
didn't realise it was safe.
That's what I mean, I went and touched them and they were like, yo, they're all safes and stuff. Hello. All files, look. Nothing in them though. I love stuff like this though. Yeah, you see that's like full on rust there. So we're going to pound around the room. Go this way. Oh, that's pretty cool. You got some of the old little... You use these for like notes actually, like little memos. It's a memo box. That's cool. It's like a little... Hey, look. Who are you? How are you doing? At least you're looking good. It's like an old thing. Right, so I'm pretty sure I've covered all the George Barnsley's now, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. An amazing place, definitely. Definitely worth coming if you're into this kind of stuff and this scene. Just be careful, some of it is very dangerous, but a lovely place to explore and check out. So do like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will catch you in a video soon. Peace, peace, I'm out.